Good afternoon, Adam. This is Tom with Right Fam Bam Digital Solutions. I just wanted to send you over this short screencast video, like I was telling you before, when you were over doing the inflatables for us, which I do appreciate, and hope you made it back to Texas safely, having a good time with your family. So I just wanted to show you 3 things that can still set your company apart from your competition. Definitely not doing too shabby on the rankings, but I can tell you that your website does definitely need some help. So we'll go over the first thing is content, what makes up your website, and what Google is looking for. First page here is just the location page, which I feel like it's not necessarily need to be set up this way. You can have a main page with having location options on the main page and not having to have basically a gatekeeping page. It always seems redundant to me, but with your main page here for Idaho, since I'm located in Idaho, it's not set up the best. It definitely needs a lot more content. With Google, it needs at least a minimum of 1,500 words to be optimized on Google, and that also needs to be keyword enriched content. So definitely could use some more content on your page. We go over here to your competition. I don't necessarily have a lot of content either, mainly just about maybe 350 words, 400 words here. That's about all they got, and just basically just their bounce house menus options. People are looking for, the Google search keywords, and that's how they find your websites faster. So that's why it's important to have keyword enriched content on your main page, so Google can basically link your website with the keywords that are being searched every day. Say we look up bounce house rentals in Boise. Somebody looks up bounce house rentals in Boise, and that's how they find all these bounce house places in Boise. Well, if you have the extra keywords, or the special or most sought after keywords in your website, then you're going to be the first one to come up instead of everybody else. So another website here is another competition, Cupcake Bounce Party Rentals, same thing. They don't have a lot of content, so to be easily beatable with the easy to beat these people with content, keywords, stuff like that. They don't have a lot of here on their main page, so, and it looks like even one of the things are broken. So it wouldn't be too hard to beat them out. Definitely doable. We can jump over here to Google. I'll tell you. This will tell you we use keywords that are largely searched in our area, bounce house rentals. So it's basically somebody that's looking for bounce houses but not knowing where to look for. So they'll put in the search bar. This will bring up map pack. This shows you the people using citations for their websites. And what citations are is essentially just exactly how their business is named, their web address, their physical address, and their website, phone number, exactly how it is in their business profile or how it was registered. So that gives them a citation. And how you also get more citations is by listing your business in basically the directories online, Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Facebook has its own directory you can use for free. And the last thing I want to go over is basically backlinks. It covers you with another important aspect to Google. We call this thing, it gives your site authority like link juice. We can search for your website, so we can, or we don't necessarily want to do that. We just want to search again for the bounce house rentals Boise like we did before. So you're not number 1. At least you're on front page, but you're still not number 1. So then now is where we want to be, and this is where you want to be, is on the front page, right? So, or on the top, number 1. And to get you there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So with the link juice, simply put, it works like, so essentially the internet's like a bunch of websites talking to each other. So you want to use your websites pointing to another website pointing to your website. Right? So we want a bunch of websites to be pointing to your website. Gives you more credibility in the eyes of Google, more authority, and it's like a popularity contest basically. So There's more to it than that. So you obtain your link juice. Works like you obtain that or make it more effective when you have related sites linked back to you. If you have a relative link or site linking you, then it's more effective than Pizza Hut. Like, you want to have something that's related to bounce houses pointed back to you. So retail, blog, anything like that, instead of Pizza Hut or car wash. You don't want that stuff pointing it to you, because then it's irrelevant. It doesn't help you at all. So with this website, then go back to your website, and then I can pull up this extension I use called SEOquake. Basically shows what you're ranking for on your keywords, and also for your external. Basically, these are the links that are pointing back to you, and it looks like it's only 3 links that are pointing back to you. That doesn't seem okay. So yeah, that's from what this is showing. You only have 3 links that are pointing back to you, it looks like. So we definitely need to get more link juice, more sites going to be pointing back to you, giving more credibility for Google. Definitely raise your ranking on Google itself. So we can check out your competition here in Idaho, and it'd be the same in Houston. Basically, this is Bounce and Bins, and they have 25 backlinks from other websites pointing back to them. And it's the Cupcakes one. And they have 5, so definitely easily beatable. We can even take a look at the one in Houston. This one's a pretty good one. We can check out their external. They have 18, but again, that's still like easily surpassable. With getting more link juice, getting your name out there to other people to point back to you, that's more credible and help your website have more authority to Google. It will take some time, but I know definitely we could surpass the competition. Unfortunately, it won't happen overnight, but it is definitely doable. Definitely will happen with time. And definitely love to see you at the top of the game, top of the page of everything, and being number 1 on both Idaho and Texas. Another good thing is we can look at our competition's websites, see what they're using for their link juices, and then we can go in and use the exact same places that they're using to give you even more link juice and more backlinks, essentially. And so we can use what they're using for your benefit and surpass them with that. So kind of just go over back what I went through. So I apologize, it's taking a little longer, but so we went over your content, your page, use some improvement, put some more content in there, more keywords. With the citations, do you really want to have at least 200 to 300 of those to beat out the competition by a landslide? So you don't have to ever worry about, whether or not you're going to keep your top spot on the Google Map Pack with citations. And then with the link juice, you have more relevant sites pointing in your direction. Nothing crazy, nothing that's not relevant to you at all. Because the last thing you want is websites pointing that have nothing to do with you. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Hope it found it information valuable. If it's something you want to talk to me more about, feel free to give me a call at 208-402-8268. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about what we can do about this. So this is Tom with Right Fam Bam Digital Solutions. Hope you have a wonderful time in Texas. Maybe I'll talk to you later. Thanks.